Look up at the night sky. The universe is unimaginably vast. That sounds like a cliché, but the true scale of our reality is almost terrifying. The light hitting your eyes tonight left its star before human history was even written. We are marooned on a warm rock, wrapped in a paper-thin bubble of air, hurtling through a silent vacuum. Right now, you are sitting on a rock, orbiting a single ordinary star. But that star is just one of 400 billion in the Milky Way galaxy alone. 400 billion suns, each with their own worlds, their own untold histories. And yet, if you were to step back and look at the cosmic web, our entire galaxy is nothing but a microscopic speck of dust. In the known universe, there are roughly 2 trillion other galaxies. So why is the cosmic scale so overwhelmingly large? And the ultimate question, where does it actually end? Before we can measure it, we have to define it. What exactly do we mean when we say the universe? It isn't just an empty box filled with stars. It is the very fabric of space and time itself. Over a century ago, Albert Einstein gave us the framework to understand this. He showed us that space is a three-dimensional grid, and time is the fourth dimension inextricably linked to it. Together, they form space-time. Mass like stars and planets doesn't just sit in this space, it bends it, warping the fabric to create what we feel as gravity. The universe isn't just the objects within it, it is the stage, the actors, and the play itself. But this grand stage hasn't always been here. Rewind the clock, 13.8 billion years, and you find a universe entirely different from the one we know. It didn't exist as an endless void. All of space, all of time, and all the matter that will ever exist was compressed into an infinitely small, unimaginably hot, dense point. And then it expanded. But there is a physical limit to what we can see, the observable universe. Spanning 93 billion light years, it is a colossal sphere of light in ancient history. Because light takes time to travel, peering into deep space is literally looking backward through time. When the Hubble telescope stared into an empty patch of absolute darkness, it didn't find emptiness. It found thousands of ancient galaxies, proving the universe is brimming with immense scale wherever we look. Yet the universe is not sitting still, it is expanding. Space itself is stretching, pushing every galaxy further away from every other galaxy. This creates a physical edge called the cosmic horizon. Beyond this boundary, galaxies are receding so fast their light will never reach us. We are trapped in a local pocket of a hidden, unobservable reality estimated to be 250 times larger. Scientists once thought gravity would eventually slow this grand expansion down. Instead, a mysterious force called dark energy hijacked the cosmos. Acting as a cosmic anti-gravity, it is violently accelerating the expansion of space. We can't see it, but it dominates reality, driving us toward a very lonely future. As space expands faster and faster, neighboring galaxies will eventually vanish beyond the horizon. One by one, the lights in the night sky will simply wink out. Star formation will cease, the last red dwarfs will turn to cold iron, and black holes will evaporate. The universe will inevitably reach heat death, a freezing, boundless void devoid of all energy, a universe born in unimaginable fire, destined to fade into eternal silence. But this shouldn't make us feel insignificant. It shows how impossibly rare we are. Against the backdrop of cold, dying stars, we are the universe waking up to experience itself. We have the privilege of existing in this brief window of time to ask these massive questions. Hit subscribe to keep exploring the edges of reality, and tell me below what scares you most about space.